All right, guys. Hi, it's me, Mrs. McClure, and today we're going to talk about our spelling word activity that we're going to do today. So we talked about our spelling words, right? It's caught, got, pot, not, look, and you. Those are the words that I introduced to you yesterday. The spelling words that we have to work on this week. Our activity today for that is by putting those words in alphabetical order, or another word for that is to alphabetize. And this is something that we did not do in kindergarten, so I'm going to model it today. And what we have to do is we have to put the words in alphabetical order. So we're going to write them in alphabetical order. So I have my example here, and I have the word log, top, and dot. So the way that we put words in alphabetical order is we start with looking at the first letter of each word, and we're going to put them in order by how they come in the alphabet. So here I'm going to write my numbers 1, 2, and 3 for my 3 words. And we've got log, top, and dot. So dot starts with the letter D, top starts with the letter T, and log starts with the letter L. Which letter comes first in the alphabet? D, T, or L? So this is where you have to remember your alphabet, the order that everything goes in, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. So which letter comes first in the alphabet? The letter D, right? So we know that the letter D comes first out of all of these words. It's going to be our first word because we're putting it in alphabetical order. The order that things come, the words come, or the letters come in the alphabet. So dot will be my first word because D comes first. So now what letter comes next? Out of T and L, which letter would go next? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So L would be my number 2 word because it comes next in the alphabet. And my word here is log. And then my final word is top, and T comes later on in the alphabet, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. So then I would write top. So now my words are in alphabetical order. So we look at the first letter and we decide what comes first in the alphabet. Which one's going to come first, come in front of, and we put it in the order of the first letter. Okay, and then our middle letter, what is the middle letter in our words? The letter O, and that's what we've been talking about. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and we're going to do a couple of the words in our activity together, okay? So I'm going to pause. Okay, so just like what we just did together, or what I just modeled for you, we are going to put our spelling words in order of the alphabet, alphabetical order. So this is in your book on page 127, and we're going to look at how we can put our words in alphabetical order. I also put an alphabet chart over here to help you just in case you forgot, okay? So let's look at our words. The first one is already done for us. And the first word, and we also have a word bank right here. So the word bank is going to help us. So these are our spelling words: not, got, caught, pot, and look, and you. So the first word is already done for us, right? And that is the word caught. And I can look at my alphabet chart and I know that the letter C comes before P, it comes before G, it comes before N, it comes before L, and it comes before Y. So that's going to be our first word. So we would trace the word caught, right? And I'm doing it on my computer, so that's not the best. Caught. Okay, so we'd write the word caught. And I'm going to draw a line because that shows that I already did that one. I'm going to cross it out. Okay, so the word caught. We already did caught. which word comes next in the alphabet. So we've got the word not, got, and pot. So what letter comes next? We already did the letter C, right? Because cot starts with C. So I'm going to look and see what word is going to be next. Let's see. Oh, I see a G. Do any of our words start with the letter G? Yeah, the word got. So G comes next in the alphabet, right? So we're going to write the word got right here. So we're putting them in alphabetical order. So we look at the first letter and we decide what order of the alphabet. So we started off with C because it comes first, caught. G comes next, got. So I'm going to put a line through it. And what's going to come next in the alphabet? Let's see, H. I don't see any words that start with H. I. Don't see anything that starts with I. J. Don't see anything that starts with J. K. L. Oh, I see a word that starts with the letter L. Which spelling word starts with the letter L? The word look. So we're going to write look right here. L-O-O-K. And I'm going to draw a line through it. All right, so we stopped on L. Let's move on to M. Do you see any words that start with the letter M? Nope. What about the letter N? Do you see anything that starts with the letter N? I do, the word not. So we're going to write the word not there. And then I'm crossing it out because I just already used the word. So now we got to keep going. So we got N. Do you see anything that starts with the letter O? No. P. Do you see anything that starts with the letter P? Yeah, what word is this one? Pot. So then we would write the word pot. And that's not a very good P. Let's try that again. And you can also use the typing tool to type the word as well. That might be better. But I'm going to write the word pot here. But in your journal, you'll write it in your book. So pot starts with P. And what's the final word that we haven't put on there yet? The word U. And we know that U starts with the letter Y, and that's already at the bottom. So we just put our words in alphabetical order, in the order that they come on the alphabet. Good job. So your assignment is to put the words in alphabetical order, and you're going to take a picture of that work and send it to me. And you can use the alphabet chart on the side to help you. Okay? So this is a new thing for us, and that's okay. That's why I wanted to do it with you and show you how to do it, and we're going to work on doing that together. Okay? All right, good job today.